Hey everyone, in this guide, I will walk you through uninstalling Avast Antivirus from your Windows computer step by step, even if you are not tech savvy. Press the Windows key, type Settings, and hit Enter to open the Settings menu. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and either scroll down or use the search bar to quickly find Avast Antivirus. Click the three dots next to Avast, then choose Uninstall. Follow the uninstall prompts. You may be asked to pick a region for uninstalling. This part is optional. When the system asks for permission, click Yes to continue. The process can take a few minutes. Once it's done, restart your computer to ensure Avast is completely removed. And that's it. Avast is now uninstalled from your PC. Your system is ready for a fresh start or a new antivirus. Thanks for watching.